Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Beautiful day here. A great time to show you this brand new 2021 Grady-White 307 Freedom. They call this boat Freedom because it gives you the freedom to do a little bit of everything. You have offshore capability, you've got bay, you've got beach, you've got recreation with your kids. It's a wonderful, wonderful boat. Let's go up top and take a look. Up aboard on the cockpit of this boat, ready to go fishing. We have all the seats down in their locations. So you have got tow rails, padded combings for fighting that fish, same on each side, has a boarding ladder. This boat's extremely well equipped, has the power electric sure shade for when you're sitting out on the island just killing time, power seat, reclining seat, Grady's innovative seat here, just easy up and down. As you sit on the seat, you're canted backwards a bit with the high combing cushion here. Kind of keeps you from wanting to fall forward. It just gives you so much comfort back here. Like I said, the power seat reclines out to here. We have a tuna door for your kids to go fishing or to bring them big fish in, or go swimming or bring the big fish in. We have got prep stations here, tons of storage, sink, fresh water. You get some fish blood on here after a good day, a good catch. You've got raw water to keep everything washed down, fresh water to wash the salt off. Grady-White's known for their fish boxes, huge fish box, all gravity fed overboard. There's no pumps. There's no chance of any bacteria getting down into the bilge, having smell, having extra maintenance. Everything just washes directly overboard. Let's go up to the helm station and see the benefits it's got there. So sitting in the helm seat, we're totally enclosed with the enclosure package. Also has a tonneau cover for the front and rear with the drop curtains, so you can actually use this boat pretty much year round. A little cool weather doesn't hinder you at all. You shut the whole front end off, close the window, keeps this nice and comfortable. Like I said, you got double helm package chair here for you and your co-mate. And if she don't want to go fishing with you, your dog can sit right here and enjoy your company because he always loves you. This boat is equipped with the brand new Helm Master system from Yamaha. Instead of having to manipulate your different points, set point, fish point, and drift point through the system, you actually have 3 buttons here just to tell it what to do. It'll hold you on location, it'll hold you on the spot, it'll hold your heading on the spot. It does so much for you with the joystick. Whatever you do with this joystick is what this boat will do. It'll pivot on a dime. It'll move sideways, up and down, whatever you want this boat to do. It makes docking a breeze. Fusion stereo system. Like I said, we've got the power cockpit shade. We've got power windlass. Helps when you're at the island. You don't have an argument with your wife trying to get the anchor up and down. You can do it up front or you can do it back here. It just makes everything happy on the boat. Let me show you in this head compartment here. Actually, if you have a little kid that wants to get out of the sun and take a little nap, it has the filler cushion inside. We have the drop curtains not installed yet. This boat's brand new, just got here on the lot. Huge double helm seat for your co-pilots. As I said, you can walk through. Tons of storage in here. It's almost big enough for a berth, but it has a place for your dedicated spot for all your stuff, your tools, your tackle, pliers, and whatnot. You have a table with the table mount in the rear and a table mount in the front. This has the casting platform package. You also use as a bow filler cushion. 2 more fish boxes up front can be used as a cooler and/or. This boat is highly, highly equipped. It's ready for you to come take it for a sea trial, and let's put it on your dock. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Come see me and we'll get it worked out for you.